Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can check storage details of your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to the settings and click on storage, and you will see all storage information here, like a breakup of storage used by each app will be showing here. Totally you have 256 GB internal storage, and out of which 22 GB is used, and system usage is 16 GB, apps usage is 5.1 GB, video usage is 559 MB, images 180 MB, others here are 0 byte, and Mingi user. Mingi uses only 0 byte. Mickey uses 123 KB. So in this way, user wise breakup is also showing here. So you can check out how much memory is used, how much memory is free, and which is to be cleared, and which is to be kept. Which is to be kept. So in this way, you can control storage space in this screen. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.